Unlike the lasso tool, the Quick Selection tool makes automatic selections in the areas we choose. This tool follows borders and makes selections of areas with strong contrast and color differences. It can certainly do most of the work for us. Let's say we want to select this part here to make changes to it. Select the tool, start from a point, and drag it where you want it to end. Photoshop automatically senses where there are boundaries and will try to make the best possible selection based on its calculations. Don't worry if your selection isn't perfect the first time. This tool has the ability to learn on the go, and we can add or remove portions at any time. You'll see the options for adding and removing above the photo, where all the Photoshop tool options are. Note that if the area we want to select doesn't have strong contrasts, this tool may not do a very good job because it relies heavily on the difference between light and dark tones to make selections.